In this screencast, we will take a look at the pause interaction and the web embed interaction. These two interactions do not require learner's input and will be completed when learners reach the timestamp. When creating a pause interaction, besides using the input section to type in the information, instructor can also use the rich text editor to insert files, images, or record audio. To apply headers to the text, please highlight the desired text, click on the triple dots icon, Format, and select the header for the text. To add a hyperlink, please highlight the text, click on the triple dots icon, Insert, and select Link. Instructors can also create tables with the rich text editor. Please click on the triple dots icon, Tables, and draw out the table. When learners interact with the pause interaction, they can read through the information in the pause interaction. After they click on Continue, the interaction will be marked complete. The next interaction is Web Embed. Please pass the URL for the desired website to the input section. Please note that the URL must be in HTTPS secure format, and the website must be embeddable for the Web Embed interaction to work. If the instructor sees this gray screen, that means the website is not embeddable. Please find an alternative website or link this website by using a hyperlink with a pause interaction. When learners interact with the Web Embed interaction, they can view the website just like using a browser, and they can also click on the plus icon above to expand the sidebar for a better reading experience. After reading the website, please click on the play button to continue watching the above. By default, pause and Web Embed interaction was 0 points. If the instructor would like to provide participation point for this interaction, please click on the triple dots icon and assign points with a slide bar. Learner will automatically earn 4 points after they complete the interaction.